Hey guys, welcome to Freelancerwebguru channel. In this video tutorial, I will show that how to fix this problem if you are using the Elementor Filterable Gallery and you face this problem. So this video for you guys. Okay, so here you will see this white space. I have to change the column to be 4, but still it show the white space. When I decrease it up to 2, so it still show this white space, right? So I'm gonna make it 3. I want to show the images in 3 column, but it show the white space in the third column as move to the bottom, right? And that's not looking good, and I want to fix this issue and remove this white space, right? So once I back to the dashboard, and here you will see I have installed this plugin Elementor add-on elements for the filterable gallery, and here I will show the page when I refresh it, and here you will see the image is not to be full width and not show in a 3 column until I change up to 3 column, but still it show the white space, right? And then now we fix this issue. So we will back to the dashboard, and here I'm gonna click on appearance and click on themes, and here you will see my active theme as this one. And now I will change the theme to, I want to active this theme, right? And then I'm gonna refresh the site. Okay, now it's working, right? So this filterable gallery working. If you can face, if you have to face this problem, so you will change the theme. You will there's a conflict inside this theme and plugin, so that's why it show a white space here. Okay, so if this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, comment, like and share. Thank you.